Traditional dubbing can take weeks and cost thousands of dollars, while AI dubbing promises results in just a few hours. Well, but here's the question, which one is right for you? Hello, my name is Prithvi Jain, and I'm the founder and CEO of Verbal Labs, where we help businesses with language solutions every single day. So, today we are going to understand, according to your business and according to your requirement, which one is right. Is it AI dubbing or is it traditional dubbing? So, let's talk about traditional dubbing first of all.
So, traditional dubbing has a lot of pros.
Firstly, it ensures that human touch is there, because in a lot of content, you require that modulation to be there. You require those emotions to be there, and there is a strong storytelling which is there in the content. In that case, human dubbing plays an absolutely amazing role, reflecting the content in the same way in different languages.
So, that is one of the most important pros of human dubbing.
Second is high quality sound. Well, the professional studios who are working on traditional dubbing ensure that the sound is crisp and the lip sync is perfect. Third is cultural adaptation. Well, when the professional skilled linguists are working on the content, they ensure that the adaptation is done very well, and even the local, very local nuances are captured and conveyed in the best way possible in the target language. All right, so now that we have understood the pros of human dubbing, let's talk about the cons. First is high cost. Yes, it costs way high. Sometimes the cost of dubbing is even higher than the cost of acquisition of the content. In that case, it becomes really difficult to actually go ahead with the dubbing. Second is the slow turnaround time. When you are working on human dubbing, you need variety of actors, and you need to understand and adjust according to their schedule and plan the whole project and the pipeline. In that case, it generally takes weeks or months to get just a few hours of dubbing done. And third is limited scalability. When human dubbing is in place, it becomes really difficult to make it scalable, and that too very fast, because a human actor can deliver only that much. So if you have hours and hours of content which needs to be dubbed and you need the same voice, it becomes really impossible to scale it up to that level. And you will actually need a very long turnaround time, and of course understand their schedule to be able to create or dub that kind of content. So, is human dubbing really impossible to do? Well, no. Human dubbing is very good for the kind of content where high stakes are involved, where emotional storytelling is really important, has to be at par with the content which is created. So, is the human dubbing really out of scope now? Well, no. Use the human dubbing when you're working on high stakes content, the content that requires emotional storytelling, which may not be possible with AI dubbing. So, in case of high stakes content where emotional storytelling is really important, you choose human dubbing. Like for TV shows or for drama content, where it's really important to impart those kind of emotions in the same way. So let's talk about AI dubbing, the smart and scalable feature that is present at our hands now. Well, AI dubbing has taken the whole content world by a storm, and that too for good reasons. AI dubbing uses speech synthesis to generate human-like machine voices, which are able to dub the content in the same way, just similar to humans. But there are a few pros and cons associated with AI dubbing as well. Let's talk about them. So let's talk about the pros now. First is the speed. While human dubbing may take weeks and months to do a certain content, AI dubbing may take just a few hours or a few days at max. with human intervention involved in terms of quality check and making it perfect. Second is cost effectiveness. Well, no studio can match the kind of cost in which AI dubbing can be done. It's really cost effective and it can work for all kinds of contents. Third is scalability. Well, AI dubbing is perfect for the kind of content where huge volumes are involved and you have a certain limited timeline to do it. And then same voice can be used for all different kind of videos, which was not possible when human dubbing is involved, because a human actor can do only this much. And fourth, and a very interesting feature, is customizable voices. Yes, if you are a creator or if you are a person whose voice is recognized and want to use the same voice, your voice, in the dubbed videos also, that can be done with the help of voice cloning. As you can also choose a variety of voices which are present in the AI dubbing data bank. Now let's talk about the cons associated with AI dubbing. First of all, minor editing and a quality check is necessary. Well, AI is able to do a lot. It is able to translate. It is also able to dub. But then you need to ensure that you need to have a professional expert in the target language to work on and review these AI generated videos. That person can actually give the right prompts and ensure the pronunciation, the flow, the tone, and everything comes out the same way as it is expected. Second is tonality and emotions. Well, AI has achieved great levels of accuracy in terms of emotions in a lot of languages, but still it lags behind human dubbing by a great margin. So, AI dubbing is good enough for contents which are focused on corporates, which are commercial videos and learning contents, YouTube videos, podcast, etc. But it still lags behind that kind of emotion and tonality which is required in TV shows and movies or any kind of high stakes content. Let's understand now which one is best for you. So, traditional dubbing versus AI dubbing. Which one would you use? Well, if your target is emotional storytelling, which touches the hearts of the viewers, you should go ahead with human dubbing. But if your target is education, imparting general awareness or knowledge through any kind of videos, you can freely go ahead with AI dubbing. Also, it's very important to consider the language that you want to go ahead with while dubbing, because in a few languages, AI dubbing does amazing job, but in some of the languages, the accuracy of AI dubbing is really low, where you might still want to consider human dubbing for now. But yeah, as we progress in 2026 and 27, you will see the whole landscape changing and 80% of the content being done using AI. Thank you. That's all from my side. If you want to know more about our AI dubbing services and human dubbing services, please reach out to us on info@verbalabs.com. Thank you. Namaste.